I am going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Hey classic Caillou, how come you're home so early?
There was a fire in school.
Oh, okay. I wonder who that is. Hello, this is Boris Anderson speaking. He did what? Don't worry, that little brat will get punished for what he did. Thank you for telling me. Goodbye. Classic Caillou, that was your teacher on the phone, saying you pulled the fire alarm and that there was actually no fire. She also said you're suspended for 8 weeks. Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You're grounded for 3 years. Go to your room right freaking now. And for the love of God, never cry in that voice again.